And then it turns you at a 90-degree angle, drop you.
Come around the mountain when we come.
Per hour. The sheepper got his name from the inside. Dive straight down to the ground. Let's spray.
I done snapped a picture of the wrong shit.
Oh, look at that.
These dance balls flew. Now when it goes right, takes you up
Well, that's not too bad.
in the air.
I want to get on that.
Then it drops you down into the ice and water.
Oh, wait a minute. What's that?
Over on the right hand side is the Scorpion roller coaster. Now the Scorpion roller coaster takes you to a 360-degree move. Oh, sure the built in a steam from the Scorpion from the 60-foot drop.
They need to sit his ass down.
Cats and dogs from the local Tampa Bay area. Other animals featured in the show are pot-bellied pigs, miniature horses, and even trees. They put on a wonderful musical comedy festival. Again, that is the PSOP Theater over on your right hand side.
There's another train right there.
Well, we are now.
Oh, look at that zip line thing.
That was that. Oh, yeah. That's what I want to get on.
You may take photos from a seated position only, and I hope you enjoy riding here on the
Right there, the
Express train.
skyline. Oh, that was the one. But ain't nobody there, so it's closed. Ooh, Lord.
Imagine coming through. It's like Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
All of a sudden they stop the train. Here's a secret exhibit. And dinosaurs start coming out.
Look at the zebra.
Oh, that's cool.
Right there.
Over to your left hand side. There are some more beautiful great zebras. Those great zebra stripes stretch all around their bodies, including their bellies. They are the most photographed and commonly seen in movies and magazines. As you look over to your right hand side, those large reddish brown animals with the long horns, those are white Tusi cattle. Just to the left hand side, I also see some white rhinos. Those white rhinos can get up to 46,000 pounds. They can run up to 35 miles per hour, stopping at a drop of a dime to the right and making a turn.
Look, the waterfall right over there.
Yeah, that's the waterfall over there. Ah! Nice little breeze.
Look at this big ass duck. Swans. Yeah, look at the rhinos.
Wow.
There's a black rhino. He is covered. Over to your left hand side, black. Get up to 2,000 to 3,000 pounds. You can only see from 15 feet away.
You said
So
3,000.
this little island is like speed.
Oh, look at these tails. And they big in real
Those
life.
large tan animals to the left hand side with the horns, those are eland antelope. The eland antelopes can leap 10 feet high in the air from a standstill position. Dark brown animals are there to your
coaster ride.
Impalas, and we have some of our reticulated giraffes out there, the gravy seekers as well. Over on the right hand side, that green goat coaster is the Cheetah Hut. Cheetah Hut is our triple launch magnetic roller coaster. It takes you from 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. It is one of the longest roller coasters here in Florida. Touching over 4,000.
Well, if it just break it, then all the giraffes start coming over here attacking.
Don't mind me, don't worry about it. Is it just the one we started off?
Look at those.
That's a thing.
Oh, up in here. Oh,
the left-hand side, the dark brown animals are Nyalas. The black animal with the long horns is the male Nyala. And the dark brown animals are the female Nyalas. They are the most sexually dimorphic animals, meaning they look
That's
nothing
what
totally different.
we're gonna
Right now,
do
approaching
this
Nairobi
way,
train
but we
station.
didn't.
Remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop.